Oh hi, didn't see you there. Since you're in my room, let's talk about something I like to call metal. I like to call metal. When I mention heavy metal music, what is the image that comes to your mind? Is that your idea of metal? I think it probably is. Take this example.
I don't listen to metal because I think it messes with the mind to a certain extent.
A person in this class wrote something on a message board last year. Do you agree? If you do, then I'm here to put your views into perspective. Firstly, how does sound mess with the mind? A very brief history of metal is when this band got the idea of scaring people with their music, just like horror movies. So they use scary scales like... So how does making use of music theory enable sound to dig around with the listener's mind and make him torture animals and commit suicide and commit rape? A musician will use different scales to create different sounds, like... or... Here's another quote.
Metalheads are a bunch of psychotic weirdos.
Isn't that like saying, if you are German, you are Nazi. If you are Muslim, you are a terrorist. If you are Chinese, you're good at maths. Or if you're Japanese. If every metalhead was a psycho, there would be more psychos in this world than you could imagine. Fans of metal are everywhere. The stereotype is metalheads dress in black and have long hair. But your neighborhood family doctor could be a metalhead. How would you know? An example is me. Do I look like a metalhead? A lecturer taught me something after I said that this was a shitty movie. She told me that I was unfamiliar with film. She told me to open my mind wider, then I would begin to see the genius in what I saw as bizarre and stupid. It was the same for me with metal. When I started out, I learned easy stuff like Aerosmith, Journey, Scorpions and whatnot. But I wanted harder things to learn, so I found metal. At first all I heard was random noise, chaos, but I persisted. And it slowly came to me, first, how complex and technical the songs were, and second, how beautiful the compositions were, hidden under a layer of chaos that you had to search to find the real music underneath. Metal is controlled chaos. You would not begin to understand how hard it is to play the music until you sat down and tried to play it yourself. In a typical death metal song, you have the guitarist playing at 16 notes per second, with the drummer blasting his pedal pedals at 18 beats per second. That's 1080 beats per minute. The AK-47 fires 600 rounds per minute for comparison. But the hard part isn't playing at that speed. The hard part is for the whole band to keep in time with each other. If the guitarist is playing at 16 notes per second, the delay of 0.015625 seconds will throw him off time. The wonders of the human body.